MPhil degree at older universities. Some of UK's oldest universities awarded the MPhil in place of more a conventional Master of Arts degree with thought and or research components. This usually occurs when a university automatically confers an MA to its graduates, as happens at Oxford and Cambridge, or when it's awarded the MA as 4-year integrated masters, as still happens at some Scottish universities. MPhil degree in the USA. The MPhil is less common in countries like the USA. This is because the first part of an American style PhD program is focused on thought units rather than research. Instead of upgrading from or being awarded an MPhil, most US PhD students transfer to the final ABD, all but dissertation stages of their programs. MPhil degrees in Europe, European universities not commonly awarded MPhil. The MPhil is recognized within the Bologna process, which organizes qualification cycles across Europe and the UK. However, the divided between master's level, second cycle, and PhD level, third cycle courses is much more distinct in European higher education system. Degrees that sits between master's level and full research qualifications such as the MPhil and MRES are less common. International recognition of MPhil. Most higher education systems should recognize an MPhil even if the degree is not commonly awarded by their own universities within the European higher education area. For example, the MPhil is recognized as a second cycle master level degree, which subjects award MPhil degrees. The MPhil can be awarded in all subject areas. This is a common feature of postgraduate research programs, which don't normally reflect academic disciplines in their degree titles. Variant forms of MPhil are sometimes offered in arts and humanities subjects. This happens when a university offers a more specialized research program in the form of an MPhil. It also occurs when the MPhil title is used to distinguish a postgraduate master from automatically conferred or integrated MA course. In the vast majority of cases, however, the MPhil is a generic degree available in all academic disciplines that can support a sufficiently in-depth research project. Don't confuse by the name. Despite its appearance, the MPhil is not a philosophy degree. Here, the term philosophy refers much more generally to the intellectual inquiry. You can study a Master's of Philosophy in any subjects. Who should study an MPhil? The MPhil is often overshadowed by the PhD or incorrectly viewed as the outcome of a failed PhD or failed PhD upgrade. In fact, there are plenty of good reasons for studying a standalone MPhil. You might have identified a smaller research topic that interests you but which doesn't have the scope for full PhD. If so, an MPhil project could be ideal, allowing you to undertake your research without needing to alter or extend it. Alternately, you may choose the MPhil over the PhD for career-based reasons. An MPhil provides advanced research skills and experience which are valued by a range of employers. A PhD also demonstrates these, of course, but the added benefits of doctorate may not be as significant outside the academic profession. Hope you enjoy our this video. Next information we discuss in our next video. So stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.